Why does your scanner show the P0390 engine code? What does it mean? P0390 is a diagnostic trouble code for Camshaft Position Sensor B Circuit Bank 2. This error code indicates a problem camshaft position sensor B circuit, Bank 2 malfunction. This means the Powertrain Control Module or Engine Control Module has detected a problem with the electrical circuit. Under these circumstances, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Camshaft Position Sensor. Wiring and connections. Tone ring reluctor ring. Starting system. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996, and it is commonly found in Ford vehicles like F-150 and F-350. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.